Hello, Timberserve here with an announcement about the Model Rail Crewe exhibition to be held at the Coppenhall Club in Crewe in the Midlands on the 31st of May between 11 and 5 p.m. So the venue is a fantastic one with a licensed bar and food service, which I can strongly recommend. There will be about 11 layouts, 5 club stands and 4 trade stands available for you to browse through. And of course I'm organising a Model Railway YouTubers meet and greet at 2 p.m. in the afternoon or in the garden if the weather's good. But even if it's inclement, there is a sheltered area that you can have the meeting in. So, of course, this is now the third time that the show has occurred, and the previous two were very successful with something like 20 YouTubers at the first one and 39 social media people at the last one in 25, and hopefully this year we'll get as many or more. A chance for you to meet those well-known faces that you follow on YouTube, TikTok, etc. Unfortunately, I can't actually attend. I'm having an operation 2 days before, but there'll still be lots of other faces there that you recognise and will be able to meet. So, I won't see you there, but it's an opportunity to meet all those people that you follow. So I think that's about it from me, Timberserve, saying ciao for now.